Just look at my hands. It is super soft and super glowy at this moment. Hi guys, winter is almost here and I'll be sharing some tips how to make your hands super soft in this winter. I'll be needing a bowl and olive oil. So এখানে অল্প একটু অলিভ অয়েল আমি নিয়ে নিয়েছি, বেশি নিব না, জাস্ট অল্প একটু অলিভ অয়েল নিয়েছি। So here's the sugar. এখানে 2 হাতের জন্য just less than 1 tablespoon I'm adding that, and then I'll be using some coffee powder. I'm mixing this with my hands and the consistency should look like this, and this smells so good. I'll be applying this on my hands, and I'm applying this both on my palm and my back of my hand. Do not forget to wash your hands with some lukewarm water. Just don't wash your hands with some cold water. So this is my hand after washing it. Just look at my hands. It is super soft and super glowy at this moment. The olive oil is working so well on my hands. You can use this on your ankles or your elbows or in your neck side areas. That's all for my today's video. I'll be sharing more amazing tips and tricks in this winter. Then do not forget to follow me. Bye bye.